Hey friends, welcome back. In the last episode, we learned about operator overloading. Today, we'll explore templates in C++, a powerful feature that makes your functions and classes generic and reusable. A template lets you write a single function or class that works with different data types. Instead of writing multiple versions of the same function, you can write one generic version. For that, we write the keyword template and then write type name t. Then let's say we have to add two numbers. We will write t add and then we write the parameters. For example, ta, tb here, and inside the curly braces we write the code. Here we coded a simple template program. T is placeholder type. The compiler replaces T with the actual type we pass. For example, integer here or double here. Let's see the output. So for the integer type we got 5 plus 10, 15, and for the double type we got 3.5 plus 5.2, which is 8.7. We can also create class templates, so the entire class works with different types. Let's create one. Now box works for both int and double without writing separate classes. Here we created a class box and then created template length and width. Here t replaces with int and double. Inside the public, we created a constructor initialization list. For that, we simply write the class's name and then inside the parentheses, we write the parameters with the colon. We list them like we listed length and width and then close it with the curly braces. Here, the function area will return length into width. In the int main, we created objects b1 and b2. For template, we have to write box and then inside the headers we write our data type. Let's see the output. Now with this, we got our respective outputs. Sometimes you want a specific behavior for a certain type. That's called template specialization. Here, printer char star has custom behavior for strings, while other type uses the generic template. Templates are extremely useful when writing generic and reusable code in C++. Here's your challenge. Create a class template pair, store two values of any type, add a function to display both values, test it with integer, double, and string types. If you completed the challenge, drop a box in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. In the next episode, we'll explore exception handling in C++, making our programs robust and error proof.